Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and hope you all are doing good. I'll just switch off the fan. Yeah. So, good morning from hospital. This is day 3 of traveling. This would be episode 3. I will probably divide this episode into parts as today we are going to visit Hampi. As some of you all might know, Hampi is a UNESCO World Heritage Site where it has ruins of Vijayanagara Empire. So there is a lot of things to see there. So if I try to compile everything in this one video, it will be too long. So I'll probably make parts. So welcome to part 1. Right now the time is 8:30. We are almost ready. I'll be going for breakfast now, and after that we'll leave for Hampi. So yeah, let's go. Breakfast was a quick 2 plates of kesari bhat, which is sheera with fruits in it, especially pineapple. Another advantage of these shades, while parking, if you just put them on like this, like no one can see what's inside, so your stuff is safe in there. Yesterday I was not able to show y'all properly, but our hotel has a small garden area with a little pond and there are some fishes in it. So right now we are heading towards Hampi, which is actually very close from hospital. It's just about 14 kilometers, and I'm sorry if day 1 and day 2 wasn't as exciting as you might have hoped it would be. But you know, transport stages are a part of every trip. Before the good stuff happens, you need to go through some process and some kilometers of not that exciting stuff. But now we are here, and welcome to Hampi. This is one of the entrance gate to Hampi from hospital. And as you enter, after just a few meters, you will be greeted by a small village. In the area, there would be some temples. This stretch of the road actually reminded me of the famous Parra coconut tree road in Goa. And later, in a distance, you will be able to see the famous rocks of Hampi. Our first destination for today in Hampi is the Hemakuta Hills, which is famous for its temples and its sunset. I hope I'm pronouncing this right. Sasivekalu Ganesh Temple is a huge statue of Lord Ganesha present at the entrance of Hemakuta Hill. Carved out of a single rock, it is one of the major landmarks in Hampi. The Hemakuta Hill is sprinkled with ancient temples that belong to both pre-Vijayanagara as well as Vijayanagara periods. A large number of these temples dates back to 9th to 14th century and hence belong to the era before the Vijayanagara Empire was found. So this is the view from sunset point at Hemakuta Hill. Isn't it beautiful? You can even see the temple from here. We'll go there now. This is the two-story Muntup on top of the hill. This is how the Muntup looks from inside. श्री अंजनिया या फिर हनुमान मंदिर. In how old would this be? Just beautiful, isn't it? And this place looks absolutely beautiful, man. Like, you come here and you're just like, what to see? Because I'll show you one second. There are temples over here. There are more temples over here. Then, hold up. Look at this. There are more ruins over here. The sitting area over there. The more temple. The viewpoint for the sunset. More temples over there. Another beautiful temple over there. I'll try to zoom in. Over there. I mean, this place is just amazing, and this is just the first stop. Now I'm on top of the mountain over here, and check this little lake out. Looks so beautiful. That is the Virupaksha temple, which I'll go to right now. पता नहीं क्यों यहाँ पे इतने सारे टेम्पल्स हैं, बट मुझे ये टेम्पल बहुत पसंद आया. Hemakuta Hill is definitely a must visit place if you are in Hampi. और अगर पॉसिबल है तो यहाँ पे सनसेट टाइम को ज़रूर आना, बिकॉज सुबह सुबह इतना अच्छा व्यू है तो सनसेट तो यहाँ पे बहुत ही सुंदर दिखेगा. सनसेट देखते वक्त यहाँ पे ये बैठने के लिए बेंचेस भी है, जो बहुत ही आसान तरह से बनाए हुए हैं पर बहुत ही प्यारे दिखते हैं. Everything is so beautiful here. I want to shoot cinematic videos, but at the same time I want to show you all everything. So I'll just stick with shooting everything for now. Such a simple and nice construction, but look at this. It's standing on literally nothing for thousands of years. Like, how is this even possible? Amazing, right? Look at this.
पांच दोरा इथून मध्ये चार 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 गेला चार 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 गेला आणि हांगासून मरे पळया आता हांगासून कितें करप तूं चार उखलाप तुजो डाव जाल्यार तूं खंयसूनच स्टार्ट करूंक शकता. हांगासून चल्ले तुवें 1 2 3 4 मागीर फुडें घालूंक मेळना तुका आनी ओपन ना न्ही, मागीर तूं खेळप मागीर तो 1 2 3 4 क्लियर आहे. मागीर हांगा खाली जाता पळय तशें 1 2 3 4 मागीर हांगा जर एक गॅप पडले न्ही जाल्यार हे पुसलो तुजें खाल्लें हें सगळें म्हाका येयलें तुका येयलें 1 2 3 4 हांगा पुसलें न्ही हांगा येयलें हें म्हाका येयलें. दोनूय सायडीच्यान आपणाक घेवप आनी लास्टाक तुजें सगळें आपणाक घेवप अशें गुचुलें हें खेळटालें.
Well, literally, this hill is sprinkled with temples. I mean, the amount of temples here is crazy. ज़रा गौर से देखिए इस कंस्ट्रक्शन को और इन टेम्पल्स को जो यहाँ पे हज़ारों सालों से खड़े हैं। तो ये थे यहाँ के कुछ टेम्पल्स और मॉन्यूमेंट्स जो है हेमाकुट्टा हिल पे। नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में हम देखेंगे यहाँ का सबसे बड़ा टेम्पल जो है विरूपाक्षा टेम्पल। मिलेंगे लक्ष्मी द एलिफेंट से, देखेंगे मोनोलिथिक बुल और महानवमी डिब्बा, स्टेप टैंक और बहुत कुछ। तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन ऑन करिए और आज का वीडियो यहाँ तक देखने के बाद लाइक का बटन दब जाना चाहिए और इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर ज़रूर करना। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में। अंटिल देन, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, सब्सक्राइबिंग, टेक केयर एंड पीस।